me the money. Money, stupid Indian. Give me the money.
I do not want to give you the money. Why should I give you the money?
Why, you stupid little Indian. So stupid. Holy.
Hey, Mr. Policeman.
Hi, I'm afraid I have some bad news.
What? Someone get hit by a truck or something?
Death has come to our town. Last week, 2 men were shot on the street. They're dead. No one knows who did it. It's out of the blue killings, I tell ya. 2 men were actually sniped. The alleged killer is this so-called Pernicious skeleton man. He lurks around, waiting to kill you.
Oh my!
Yes, I would watch out if I were you. Could be around here anywhere.
Okay. Bye, Mr. Policeman. Oh, watch out.
Bye. Wait. See any suspicious activity around here? You know who to call.
You know who to call? I don't got no phone. Oh well.